Hello, my friends. I wanted to show you my little haul from a number of Dollar Trees in eastern Tennessee. I went to visit my friend recently, and we went shopping, and my friend Rachel is a very generous person, and she was taking me all over the place to all the Dollar Trees that she could think of because we might find something else at a different one. And we did find some things. These are the washi tapes that I mentioned. I mentioned it in another video. I got these two. They're the same one. It's got some kind of, I think it says something on there. It's hard to read it. So I thought those were good and nice and wide, so I got both of those. These have 2.36 by 8.74 inches. So the width is 2 something. So this is not 2. So it's for both of them. And the 78.76 inches is about 2 yards, I think. So anyway, that's what I got for those. And then I also found this set that has these designs. There's birds on this and some little hexagons or something there. Little speckledy stuff. Those are always fun to have. That one has some leaves on it, and this is just a stripe. And then on this one, that's a citrus design on that and leaf design on that one, which would be kind of fun for a summer themed journal. And then this one has just these little squares with an ice cream cone, a cup of coffee or tea, a drink of some kind. Can't tell what that is right there. But just some little like postage stamp kind of things. I thought that was cute. And this one has mushrooms on it. See if I can open this. I have this one open, so I'll pull some off so we can look at it. So there that is. So that'd be cute for like a fall journal or botanicals or whatever you wanted to do. And it came with this one. I used this one to tape down some little watercolor papers. I'm doing Leslie Stroh's 100 tiny paintings in a year, and so I used it for that. But it's also a cute little design, so you could use it for just an edge on a pocket or something. And I thought I had 3 of that. Did I not? I think there's one more that I don't. Oh, here it is. It's this one. This one is the other one that was in there. It has a bird and a heart and just some basic things in it. So I was tickled to get that. They were $1.25 each. So I spent a couple of dollars on that. Well, we won't talk about what I spent on it on anything. Everything was about $1.25. So we'll go with that. This is some ribbon, satin edge velvet ribbon. So it's like this, which is nice. It's velvet. I mean, it's satin on the back. And then it's this pretty pink, kind of a, not really dusty pink, but a pretty pink. And it would be pretty with these designs on this. Same kind of colorful family. So I got that. And this is Crafter's Square paper tags. And there's 20 pieces in here and 5 yards of the jute. So I thought that was a good deal. And I bought these because I was doing some watercolors or some little tiny paintings while I was up there, and I thought this would be handy to have. And there's 6 of these in here for $1.25, so it's almost disposable on that. And then this is the flag banner that I was talking about in the other video with the pretty eyelet design on it. And the lady I saw that had a video using one of these had just placed it on a page, and I think she put something across the top of a different, like a ribbon or something, and had it as a tuck spot. I think it's what she had done. It could be a belly band, or you could wrap it around a page. It'd be cute, I think. Have it for a pocket on the top. So that, I thought that had some options, some possibilities, options and possibilities. And these are the watercolor napkins that I was telling you about in the other video. I hope you've seen that video, and if not, I'll put a link to it in the description because I used some of the decals I got to make some pockets. Okay, come out of there. Usually when you get these napkins at Dollar Tree, they're only printed on one side, on one quarter. But this one has the design so that the whole thing is printed, which is pretty cool. And I think I just separated it right away. So isn't that fun? I love that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it would be fun to make it into pockets that wrap around a page. Say this is a page. It's just a piece of cardstock, but you could have it where it's on the, say this is the spine here. Have it where this side is a pocket and this side is a pocket. You might need to reinforce it with some cardstock to make it stiff enough. Or you could just do the whole thing over a page. It's kind of a big page. It's probably be more like that. But wouldn't that be cute? And you could write over that too, unless you had it glued down. So that was the fun watermelon napkins. And then these are note cards. There's 6 in this one. Not all of Dollar Tree's note cards have 6 note cards in them anymore. Some of them only have 4. So I grabbed this up. My friend was saying that she really liked this. So you could use this. It's just blank on the inside. So you could use it for like a flip out with writing space inside, or you could make it into a pocket, or you could make it a tag by putting a topper on it. There's just lots of possibilities. And it's just really, again, a summery kind of theme, or a beach or tropical, whatever design you wanted to do with it. Oh, the other thing I got was I got 3 sets of bows. Do I need 3 sets of bows? Probably not, but you never know if they're going to still be there the next time. So anyway, I just think there's lots of fun ways these could be used. I put one on the pink paper, and I think you could cut it out and glue the top down and make it into a tuck spot. You could slip something up under there, or you could make it like a pocket and just have the top of it cut where you could slide something down in there and have this be square. Or you could make it for a belly band, glue the sides and have it there. Lots of options. I think it would be really cute in a fun girly journal. And if I can ever remember what those are called, I'll put it in the description box. I'll research it. I also went to Hobby Lobby. Let me show you those two. I was pulling these out from Hobby Lobby, and I also found this set of thank you notes that I got. And I thought those would be really pretty because they have the roses on them. You could just put something over this, a sentiment or whatever you want to cover up the thank you if you didn't want to have to say thank you. Once again, pockets, flip ups, whatever, around the page kind of tuck spot. Then at Hobby Lobby, they were having 40% off on Paper Studio products. So I bought this set, which has lots of butterflies and birds and flowers and all the things that's kind of my wheelhouse. I like all those things. And there's 2 each, and there are 50 designs. So it's 100 pieces total. And then this one has 24 pieces. And this one is more of a faith-based design. Not everything. God is always with you. With God, all things are possible. I can't read them all, but anyway, that's what's on there. And there's 12 designs in this one. And there's 24 pieces, so there's 2 of each one. So, okay, that's it. That's finally it. So I hope you liked seeing all my goodies, and then it gave you some inspiration for what you might find at your Dollar Trees or Hobby Lobbies or wherever you like to shop. And just remember to always be creative and think about possibilities that aren't what the thing is actually made for. Unless you just want to have a birthday party or a girl's party and use the flag banner and hang this up on the wall. Then you can take it down and make it into something in a journal. Love to you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.